Yo, what is going on, guys? Jordan back today, and as if you might have watched the last video, James wasn't here, so go back and check that one out, and I'll kind of give you the explanation. But anyway, today we have a GX box, a new box, a GX, a Lycanroc GX box. I think that's how you say the name. I haven't played Gen 7 at all, so it's a really big one, so let's just jump right into it. So obviously, guys, we get the little one, which is a mean ass motherfucker. That's number one. Let's get the big one out, guys. And there's the big one for you guys to see. It's even better. Which it has Crunch, which takes 2 energy, which is 30 damage. Lycanroc, which is 120 damage but takes 3. And Lycanroc GX, it's the GX move is the Lycanroc, which is 3 energy, and it's got 2 energy from this Pokemon, which you can only use that for 1 turn, and it's 200 damage. So that'd be good if you had like a Mega against you. This time we have 2 Sun and Moon, code as per usual, a Breakpoint pack, and my all-time favourite, Fate's Collab, because it's got Zam on it. So, let's just get everything sorted a little bit. Let's put the code at the others. So let's just jump right into it, and let's use the Breakpoint first, guys. So let's just try and get something good. So obviously, guys, we're going to rub the pack as per usual, so rubbing the pack both sides. Using the code as per usual, guys, so it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, with these guys, it's going to be a bit different. Like, half of it is going to be literally 4 cards, and half's going to be 3. The 2 Sun and Moon is going to be 3. It's going to be 4, sorry. And the Fate's Collab and the Breakpoint pack is going to be 3, because they changed it around for some reason. So we have a Bursting Balloon, which is always a monster. Puzzle of Time. We haven't had that one in a while. Ooh, I don't think we've ever had this Pokemon. A Stantler, which I actually have in Pokemon Go. We have Electabuzz, which is cool. We have a Staryu, which, if you've watched any of the Soling videos, me and James have beaten the gym. But I don't know whether you've seen that one, guys. I can't remember if we've put that up. We have Blitzel, which is kind of cute. We have a Numel, which I like as a Pokemon. This is a cute Pokemon. Shinx turns into a real monster. Ooh, we have a reverse holo Galamiel, and we have Eradicate as the final one, with an antibodies ability. Nice. Bit weird, but okay. So let's just put them into a pile, so not all the way there where we are. Let's go a one. Do you know what? Let's do the first Sun and Moon pack. So let's do what we usually do. Let's just rub in the pack. This one's going to be 4, guys. So yeah, it's like, guys, the last packet I opened had that pure green, and this Sun and Moon packet has that. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, because you get an energy, if I remember rightly. You get an energy in this one. So let's get right into it. We have, for starters, Spinder. We have Araquidin, or however you say it. As I say, guys, I'm not really familiar on Gen 7 Pokemon, so Gen 7 and Gen 6 is not my strong point, because I've never played them. We have a Rare Candy. We have the complementary Steel Energy. Ooh, we have Kalana, which I like, because he goes into Sharpedo. We have our little Zubat, which is a Nightmare. We have, first starter of this packet, Popplio, which is kind of cute. We have a Tugadumura, or how James is usually best at saying that one. We have Shelder. We have Reverse Hollow Sandow, and we have a Hollow Poliwrath, which isn't too bad. So we got a Hollow and a Reverse Hollow in that one. That's not too bad. So let's do the Incineroar Sun and Moon pack. I know that one because James picked Lytton as his starter, so I know that's Incineroar. So let's rub the packet both sides as usual. I'm going to open this upside down. Let's see if it doesn't do that. And I have to go down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get the energy out the way first. And so we have complementary Grass Energy. We have a Dartrix, which is, I believe, is the second form of Routlet. We have a Alolan Raticate. We have a Wishy-Washy, which is kind of a nightmare in TCG sometimes when he transforms. Stuffle, which is kind of cool. Oops, sorry guys, got an itchy nose. We have another Popplio, 2 and 2. We have another Zubat, 2 and 2. Another Shelder, 2 and 2. Oh, we got a Yungoos. We have a Reverse Hollow Grubbin. And we have a Bruxis. So it's not too bad, that package, guys. So let's see what Fates Collide will bring us. My old friend Zam. Because Zam usually gives us good stuff when I pull. So last packet of this video, guys. Let's hope that we can get something good out of this. And if Zam is looking over us, he needs to give us something in this packet. Or even Arceus. So let's go. So rubbing the pack as usual. So it's 1, 2, 3 this time, guys. Oh, sorry guys, it really is now. So we have Fairy Drop. Could that be a sign? We have Weezing, which is a cool Pokemon. We have a Power Memory, which is never got what that means, but okay. We have a Snubble, just because James isn't here, guys, to do the Snubble dance. We have a Snivy, which I kind of like. We have an Olysis, which is annoying. Get them back to which way. We have a Gothita, which I kind of like. It's kind of cool. We have a Mincino, which I like the evolve form of. Ooh. We have a Juician, which is a reverse hollow, and no way! First time ever, guys. A hollow Tyranitar. That is so fucking cool. But the energy he needs is unbelievable. 5 energy, guys. Jesus. That is insane, guys. But that is the pull of the day, I think. That is definitely the best pull of what I've pulled today. So anyway, guys, that's going to end the video on a high with a new Tyranitar. Well, I think that's the very first Tyranitar melee games I've ever had. So that's an accomplishment. So like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to leave comments. Don't forget to leave likes. Don't forget to subscribe. And I've been Jordan. James wasn't here today. So until next time, peace.